In the age of advanced manufacturing and recycling, one innovation stands at the forefront: IntelSight. Meet IntelSight, the cutting-edge AI controller designed to revolutionize the way we view and interact with the world around us. IntelSight's diversity in AI vision capabilities enables it to take on various different applications in advanced manufacturing, truly contributing to a circular economy. In this case, IntelSight gathers the results from battery identification and orientation for a multitude of different battery chemistries and sends that data to IntelSight's PLC for pick-and-place categorization. Another use case is automotive air filter manufacturing, where IntelSight performs QC based on highly configurable parameters. To promote simplicity, IntelSight comes with all necessary hardware to operate and handles their control. Before being deployed, IntelSight is rigorously tested in our in-house prototyping environment. In production facilities, IntelSight performs QC using pre-trained AI models and communicates results to PLCs while simultaneously controlling peripherals through I/O, such as light bars, cameras, and through beam sensors. Our team of dedicated and experienced engineers and technicians work to ensure the installation of IntelSight production is seamless. Are you ready to adopt cutting-edge AI technologies for production through IntelSight?